Hello friends, my name is Suraj and you're watching Javinu Tech. As you have read in the thumbnail, we are going to remove the background of an image using Microsoft Office Word. Now this one is a proper technique, and guys, you have to watch the whole video to get the full knowledge of it, or else you won't be able to remove some part of the video. So please watch the video completely, and let's start the video guys. First of all, let's open Microsoft Word. Password. Okay, Microsoft Word. So then you need to load an image. You need to go to insert and insert a picture. But before that, wait, let me just put a shape. I'll later tell you why I have inserted this shape. Okay, now let's insert image picture, and I have some pictures in my desktop. Let's insert this one. Okay, first let me send this to back. Okay, now this is the image. What I need to do is I need to go to format. It is already in the format. Then I need to click on this remove background. Okay, so once I click into remove background, you can see that everything here has converted to pink color, and I removed what I want. I want to remove everything, and I want to keep this desktop, this bug greater than less than this lines and the Suraj hacks. So let's just make it small. So now you can see that if I press enter, then everything will be removed. This Suraj hacks also, because this is not added. So what I need to do is I need to go here and mark areas to keep. When I click on those, I can mark some areas which I would want to keep. So I'll mark this one. Now these are the areas which I want to keep in the image. Everything else which are in the pink color, it will be remove it. Okay. Let's just make it fast. Guys, some of the image which are very heavy, you can only go from Photoshop, but some of you who are not having a good idea of Photoshop, you can use this trick and know how you can do it. It is an easy trick, in fact quite an easy trick than Photoshop. Okay, you can do anything from here. Let's just add two dots also. Okay, now you have seen that here we have some green images also, like this green line, then this green, and then this green. So I want to remove this. Okay, so I will just click on mark areas to remove, and I'll click on to this one, then this one, then this one, and then this one. So you can see that everything I've added. One thing I left here, this one. So you can see that everything which I need in the image and what needs to be added, I have added those, and rest all I have unmarked. So when I click into keep changes, everything in the image will be deleted except this one. Okay, so let's just click on keep images. So you can see that this is the image Suraj hacks I was talking about. Rest all is deleted. Let's just press Control Z. So let's click once again keep changes. So you can see that everything else is deleted. Now you have might have understood why I have kept this blue one, because the image was in white color and the background was also white, so it would be go hidden. That is why I have put that shape here. So guys, let's just add something else. Okay, let me remove this and add an image. Let's see. Sorry, add an image. Let's add. Go to downloads and search something. Okay, that's this one. So you can see that this is the image. Let's remove background, and here I would remove let's just add only this pen. Okay, that's all I want to remove. So now let's mark areas to remove. I want to remove this one, and then I want to add this part here, small part. Okay, so that will not be added. Now this is the demerit here, that you cannot go so pro in this mode, because this is just a sample work. Okay, you cannot go for Photoshop something like this. So just you can do this, then click on to click changes, so you can see that the pen is here and everything else is deleted. So that was all for this video, guys, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and please share this video as much as you can. Thank you.